this video I'll show you how to assign plan tasks to timekeepers. First of all, if you have under clients Amatas, the matter with the plan task, the matter plan tab. So if you have this timekeeper assignment required checkbox enabled, this will mean that users won't be able to create time and expense entries against the matter plan tasks unless they have been already assigned to them. This checkbox is useful for assigning specific tasks to specific users. If it's not enabled, any user that has access to the matter may enter time and expense entries against the matter plan. So there's two ways to assign matter plan tasks to users. First off, under this same matter plan task tab, we have the team icon over here. If I click on this, you can select the timekeepers you want, select or deselect, and select the ones that you want and click save. Now, the other place that you can assign matter plan tasks is from under the team tab here. So I click on here and you can select the checkbox for who to assign them to. And assigning means that the user will obviously be assigned to the matter and the matter plans that fall under it. And then we have the bypass Amata approvals. This means the user will not need to have their time and expense entries approved by a superior if you have an approval system set up. And then we have plan tasks access. This means the user can view and edit matter plan task details. And then we have the budget access. The user can view and edit the matter budget. And then we have assign plan tasks, which will open up a link with a list of matter plan tasks, and you can select which ones you want to assign to the user you just opened up this link against.